WeatherTech side window deflectors are made of a strong and flexible polycarbonate with ultra-thin precision machined flanges that are designed to slip into the window channels. Before installing, make sure the window and window channel are completely clean and dry. Wrap a paper towel around the flat end of the channel tool and sweep it through the window channel and weather strip, cleaning it of dirt and debris. Use the provided channel tool to measure and choose a location roughly 3 inches from the edge of the window opening and 3 inches from the back of the edge. Now, using the hook end of the channel tool, carefully pull down the inner rubber weather strip at your first location. Place a channel clip into the exposed rubber window channel and push the clip up, fully seating it into the window channel. Repeat the process, placing another clip at your second location. If your deflector has an adhesive strip, remove the protective film from the adhesive. Now, at the rear of the window opening, below the clips, insert the machined flange of the deflector into the window channel. Then, pivot the front end up and slide the deflector into the upper window channel over the channel clips. Carefully work the deflector to slide the flange fully upward between the clips and the weather strip. Before closing your window for the first time, make sure the deflector is fully inserted into the window channel and that there's no obstruction to the window track. Double check by running the flat end of the channel tool across the top. Then raise the window slowly. Apply outward tension until the window reaches the threshold of the side of the window deflectors. Then finish raising the window without the added tension. Repeat the process on the other side and your WeatherTech side window deflectors are installed.